And we're back to more Harvest Moon.
Hey everybody, welcome to Farm Town.
So, I want to apologize again. I know I'll probably make notice of this on the channel, but the previous episode's audio quality for being a little shoddy. We're not sure exactly what happened, but we're going to keep an eye out for that from now on.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we won't have that in the future.
Yeah, hopefully. Let's check the date.
It is the 15th. It is a Sunday.
Where are you at? Horse race? Yeah! And let's check the weather.
And it's going to be sunny tomorrow.
Of course it's going to be sunny. It's always sunny.
In Philadelphia. What? I like
No.
that show.
No. No! Moving on. We'll not be out there.
Hey, Cody!
Hey, Mr. Mayor! What do you want?
Just came to tell you you're evicted. Thought I'd be mad and tell you right to your face. Oh, I guess you will be staying. Just in the county jail. The cooking festival is on the 22nd of this month. Could you bring free turnips by the 21st? So,
let me get this straight. You want me to bring you 3 turnips and my profits?
yeah. Or you don't have to live on this land.
You don't have to be an asshole.
I'm not being an asshole. I'm just telling you how it is. Think of me as Tom Nook.
Oh, see, I see your mouth moving, but all I see is a dark hole and yada yada yada.
And shit coming at it.
Yep.
I can use them for the festival? Sure.
Fine.
Thanks, please deliver them to my house by the 21st. Oh, make sure to bring 3 of them. I'll be waiting. I can't grow shit myself, so I need your help.
No, really. I mean, you had to tell me you need 3 of them twice? Get off my farm.
So we have 6 days to get turnips in. Oh, look, turnips are in. Problem solved.
Yep. I guess. Harvest. And give him 3.
Yeah.
Get away. Why are you even in the field, dog?
Where else is it gonna go?
The grass?
Playing the dirt.
Play near the pond.
Just peas in it. I drink from there, you mutt! Oh wow, we got a lot of turnips. I forgot how many we actually invested in.
So, you never know. Could give us enough money.
We should be halfway there anyway, so.
We probably should also save just a little bit for more turnips, I guess. But I guess the mountain collecting can take care of that.
Well, we'll see how much money we get from all this, because we should get a fair chunk, and we should even have excess for buying more crops.
That'd be nice. And oh yeah, we have plenty for the mayor.
Oh yeah.
Mayor fat ass.
So I do have something I want to suggest. Leave pick this one up, but leave the rest of those 3 in the ground and take 3 to the mayor. I have a strange feeling that he doesn't want them until the 21st.
So,
and if you just keep watering them, they don't go bad.
So leave these for now.
Yeah. And then go take 3 to the mayor. If the mayor takes the 3, we bring them now, harvest them. Otherwise, keep them in until the 21st.
Yeah, let's take these 2.
Hot turnip coming through!
Yep, because the mayor wants them for cooking. He's too lazy to grow his own. Despite the fact that he probably has a nice backyard because he's a rich mayor. Oh, hey.
You can't talk to people with
Oh.
food in your hands. Where did he say to take it? To his house?
Okay.
Then where are you going?
I don't know. Where's he going?
He's leaving his house for something. He has daily mayor duties, sir. He's not going to wait right for your ass. That's not the house. Up one.
But that's...
He came out of here, so it must be his house. No, never mind. I'm wrong. Well, we just got to wait for him to come back then.
Go away.
Just check the door there.
You're pretty stupid if he only wants them on the 21st.
It might be because it was very time specific.
Yeah. Mr. Mayor.
Alright, head back home. He's not coming back.
What a jerk. Oops.
You didn't pay attention to where you're running.
Yeah, you know.
Well, we need to get some of the harvest in, and hopefully Zach gives us enough money for a rucksack, and then we can just store free turnips in our backpack. How many turnips do we got left in the fields? Take 2 more and then just water the rest.
Screw us, Zach.
Alright, water. And don't forget to go brush the horse. We are kind of screwed over our day.
Yep. Let's see.
Yep.
Yeah, we have enough. Water. Cool.
I think it's still in the shed. It rained yesterday, remember?
Oh, yes. Hey, buddy. I'm sorry. Oh, you little jerk. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you. not gonna swear at you. I'm better than that. 2 seconds later, get out the goddamn door, you piece of crap!
Yep, that's about as much as I expected from you, Cody.
How much longer do I have? Fence! You could make a fence. Don't lie.
I would love to be the person that just walked by your farm at 6:40, see you plant a freaking block into the ground and go, fence! Only to proceed to pull said log out of the ground and put it back in the lumber.
Oh, that's when you know you're living with somebody special in your community.
That's when you're like, I understand now. He's crazy.
Okay. If you have horses or cows or sheep, and you do not have a brush.
Eric, when'd you buy one?
I did. From you! You saw me buy one!
Yeah, this is probably like the letters you haven't got for a long time. You never check the mail.
I gotta get better at that.
Right corner here, wait 10 years.
That's actually handy.
Oh yeah, I didn't know you could do that here.
I didn't either.
I don't know, we just buy the corn feed, or get the feed.
Well, I was gonna head to bed before I pass out on the ground.
Didn't work that hard today.
You know, that's what happens when you stay up all night.
It's only 8.
You know, when we get more crops out there, there's gonna be some late nights. Let's check the weather.
Sunny again! Heaven forbid you have to water your own garden.
That's Rain's job.
Alright, I suggest, water everything. Then let's go buy that rust sack. And then we'll go talk to the man.
Oh, yeah. That way, I'll have some extra room.
Yeah. Also, if things go the way I hope they do, these might come in time too.
Tomorrow? Oh, yeah. For the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
You could go for a pleasant little walk.
Still, just to be safe, I recommend not pulling out 3 of our crop until the mayor takes our.
Yeah, the one thing I don't like about early harvest moons is there's nowhere to store stuff.
Not really.
Until much later.
Well, technically, you're just storing it in the ground, because if you keep watering them, they never go to bed.
Yeah.
Alright. Market should open in 20 minutes. Try now, I think, maybe. I like how you never tried. Okay.
Yeah, not bad. Okay. Should I buy more turnip seeds?
Let's take a look. Because they're 120 a pop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, go for it.
How many do you suggest?
We can dump it to like all in. Like, let's go 4. 5. Let's go 5.
There we go. Where is the money?
Sort of.
I mean, better than him. He keeps giving his product away. He's probably in debt up to his eyeballs.
Oh, he just paid $3,000, so can't be that sorry for him.
Yes.
Can't believe he bought that old rust stack for $3,000.
I'd be like, how much is this worth?
You know, you take it to an appraiser, it's like, this is only worth $10. You buy these at like the discount store for children and going into school.
It's like, and I'm like, pull out my scythe. Oh, you don't say. So should I go to see the mayor?
Yes.
Pull out 3 of these and go see him.
Yep. Put them right in your backpack.
Mr. Mayor, you better take these or I'm coming for you.
This is the experiment, because if he doesn't take them, then we know we gotta go on the 21st.
Yeah. But you know, he should rephrase better. Bring them to me on the 21st instead of by the 21st. And again, the mayor's an idiot. I'm surprised nobody's voted him out. Oh, he's home. Get out of my way, you jerk. Hey.
Hi, did you bring those free turnips for cooking festival? Yes.
Yep, here you go. Take them. Shove them up your
Thank
ass.
you. There's a kitchen. These turnips will be used, Dad.
If there's a kitchen. What?
What?
Shut up. No, I'm done.
Come join us that day.
Shut up. I knew I should have talked to you. You made my brain cells die.
You hurt my head, sir.
If there's a kitchen, these will be great. Oh, Mr. Mayor, such a fun mayor.
Alright, let's get to work.
Need one thing.
Uh-huh.
I mean, yeah, besides that, my tiller.
That... I see what you did there.
Yeah. You thought I was being an idiot, did you?
For a moment, because that's just par for the course.
Oh. Hey,
Alright. One there. One there. Just pull up that plant below you. One, two, three, 4. If I can't start. Just hold on. No. 4.
1.
You have to make room for one more. So right here would do it. There you go. Now plant.
You're gonna be rolling in it.
I like how dropping seeds sounds like you're dropping marbles, like on a hardwood floor.
Oh my god. Drop the marbles.
Yeah, depending on how much money we make this season, what I might recommend doing is trying to get them just a field of the renewable crop next season.
The renewable?
Yeah, every season has a renewable crop.
Trying to remember what summers is.
We'll find out when we read the descriptions. I feel like it's corn.
I think corn is fall.
Oh yeah, true.
I want to say tomato.
Yeah, you're right, tomato.
Okay. Yeah, renewable is always a great idea.
Well, it just saves us from having to, like,
Plant every single
time.
Yeah.
But the downfall is like you got to get it really at the start of the season, otherwise
Yeah.
it's just useless.
Yeah. Oh, I just love washing my plant.
Washing
watering.
your plants, huh?
I just love watering my plants.
Another moment where, what, nothing today? Comes over, punches you in the gut.
Would surprise me because it looks like a juicer.
Alright, let's go harvest those last 3 turnips in the field.
Yeah. Great idea, especially after the mayor took our money. Our
Product.
turnips.
Oh, that's so good that we can do that.
Just bring it to him the day after? Yeah.
No, I meant our rucksack.
Oh, yeah.
And that we can just hold like 6 bins in it.
I guess ship them out.
Yep. They'll go tomorrow. We should have done that earlier, but
Yeah,
whatever.
we didn't think of it.
It's fine, it's fine.
Make a little bit extra money.
I don't think you need to.
I don't, but kind of want to.
Okay.
Especially now that I can get it all. In one fell swoop.
That is true.
Oh, that feels so good.
Wait, did I just see our inventory after you put this? Yeah, so we can literally hold up to 4.
Technically 5 if you count the hand.
Yeah. That's still damn good.
Yeah.
So I think our next purchase will be to get the water can upgraded.
It's figuring out a good time to do that. Because if you do it during planting months, you lose it for 3 days.
Yeah. That's why I'm thinking the start of next season we'll get it done.
Yeah.
And then we'll just miss the first 3 days of summer.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Let's do a little research. Nice. We're not doing too bad.
No.
So we've made 6,760. Then we've spent 6,980.
Yes, but we're still making money this season, so we're evening out.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, our watering can's ready for her.
One thing I don't like is how you have to go through each upgrade.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
I say by the end of the year we should have like a really decent watering can.
That'd be nice. There, you better make some good food that day. So I'll be eating my fill.
But with that, though, we'll have to call it here. Until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.